Stay tuned to see how easy it is to make a gift tag using Chalk Couture's products. Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk and Creations. I'm an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today I'm going to do a quick video showing how to make a gift tag using Chalk Couture's Chalkable Suede Gift Tags. They come in a pack of 12. This is the white, and they also come in craft brown, and I'll do a different video with the craft brown tags. And you receive 12. 6 of them have the slight dovetail, and 6 of them have this scallop. And you can also use both sides. Now, it's kind of hard to describe. It has a kind of a suede feel to it. And I also will be using the celebration minis, which I think are a great complement to the gift tags. You've got just about every occasion here on the celebration minis that you could use. And you can use any kind of color paste colors that you would like. You could customize this however you would like. You could get as much detail in different colors that you would want to do if you choose to. I'm just going to be using classic black velvet today. I'm going to be using the Cheers transfer. I thought that would be great for a celebration, like if you're having a wedding or just an occasion that you want to celebrate. But they have like baked with love, made with love. This is a really great transfer, and it is the celebration minis. Excuse me, minis. Now your gift tags also come with a piece of baker's twine, so that way you can use that to tie around your gift. Now I do want to let you know, only use the paste on these. Do not use ink. I mean, you could use the ink, but just don't heat set it. Let's put it that way. I tried heat setting just to see what would happen to the surface, and it started to melt and distort the surface. I don't know if you can see that or not. And also, as I was ironing it, it started moving my ink around. So do not heat set these. All right, just to let you know. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to set these aside. And any of these products from Chalk Couture, as long as they are available at the time of posting this video, I will have an editable shopping cart link posted down below. So that way you can get these if you would like to. These would be great year-round. You've got birthday, congrats, baby shower, get well. Just a little gift for you. If you're a baker or you want to give somebody some homemade baked cookies, you just want to perk somebody with oh happy. This is really awesome, and they are great to go with these gift tags. All right, now you can cut these apart along these white lines if you'd like to. I just took the point of my scissors and I scored them so that way I can keep them on my backing sheet instead of having 12 little separate ones. That's totally up to you. Now I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to fuzz my transfer. Now these are reusable transfers. Chalk Couture states, I believe it's 8 to 10 or 8 to 12 times that you can reuse these. Many designers have got more use. I'm only going to, do it maybe 3 or 4 times. Now if you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you can use a towel, you can use a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, just anything that's going to take some of that stickiness off, because you don't want it sticking so well to your gift tag or your paper, whatever it is that you may be using, to where it possibly could, ruin your surface or ruin your transfer. So I'm going to set the fuzzing cloth aside. Now you can eyeball and measure this if you would like to. I'm just going to place this on here so I think it looks kind of even. To me, that looks good. I put my finger in the middle and I go side to side on these smaller ones. Just make sure that you have a good contact with your surface to try to prevent any paste from seeping underneath. And that way, if you have any little lumps from any fuzz that might be back there, or any little air bubbles or any wrinkles, you can try to smooth those out. And if you want, you can use your mini squeegee and just smooth over that. All right, now I am going to use, this is black velvet. You can use whatever color you would like to use. But I will have this color posted in the cart, in the jar, and the single packets if it is available. Like I said, that cart is editable. So if you'd like to add or subtract anything, you are welcome to do that. Now, if at any point you like this video if you could, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I do another video. Now what I did is I generously applied the paste to my transfer, and then I scraped off the excess. That way I can see some of the design. So that way I know I have good even coverage. And I start at the corner. So I do need to hold this down. And then start pulling from the middle. And then you slowly lift up and do the peel and reveal. And why you slowly lift up is that way if you did miss a little spot, you can just lay it back down and touch it up. And there we go. We have a little gift tag ready to go. I shouldn't say too little. There you go. Now I have an extra towel here. Until I can get this to the sink and clean it off, I'm going to spritz it with some water here. Now some of the dark paste does stain your transfers. There's nothing wrong with that. Now all I'm going to do, you can let this air dry, but to speed things along here a little bit, I'm going to use my little heating tool here and dry this. And then you can use your little piece of twine. You can just thread it through the hole and just tie it to your gift. Or you could go ahead and do a lark's head knot, however it is that you would like, and I will show you that. Okay, just want to make sure that that is dry because I don't want to get any black paste. Like I said, you can just thread it through. Now these little gift tags, I should keep saying little, but they're just because they're cute and adorable. They're really not that little. They are about 3 inches. Oh, they're about 4 1/4 inches long by about almost 3 inches wide. I think there's, so you can thread it through that way and just tie it around your gift or your ribbon. Or you could dovetail it by matching the ends together, and then with a little loop, put it through that hole. Open that up a little bit and just thread the other tail ends through. And then you have a lark's head knot, so that way it's facing forward. And you can also put another design right on the back if you would like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.